This video is for additional wiring only. Follow the V16 Basic Video Manual before continuing. The additional wiring for the V16 Lumi level includes a grey cable from the controller. The Lumi level will need to be wired before use. Feed the grey wire through the enclosure gland. Before wiring, ensure that the fuse is not connected. Place the red wire into the plus 12 volt terminal and tighten the screw terminal. Repeat for the blue wire into the out terminal and the black wire into the 0 volts terminal. The Lumi level should be fitted to the top of the tank. It should be placed with the full height of the tank below it. Be aware of any baffles or notches in the tank, as this will affect the Lumi level's reading. Secure the drilling template provided to the top of the tank and drill the holes. Whilst drilling, prevent swath from falling into the tank. Remove the template and smooth off any rough edges. Place the Lumi level over the drilled holes, making sure the laser aperture is in the correct orientation. Then fasten with the screws provided. To calibrate the Lumi level to the tank, turn the controller on and press and hold the down and enter buttons. HEE for height empty will be displayed. Enter the dimension to the nearest centimetre between the Lumi level and the lowest level of water. Note that the tank will never be completely empty. Press the enter button to set this value. HEF for height full will be displayed. Enter the dimension to the nearest centimetre between the Lumi level and the highest level of water. Note that the tank will never be completely full. Press the enter button to set this value. Cap for capacity will be displayed. Enter the capacity of the tank in kilolitres. This measurement is between the lowest water level and the highest water level. This is not the manufacturer's stated capacity. The maximum capacity is 2 kilolitres or 2000 litres. 0.65 kilolitres is equal to 650 litres. Press the enter button to set the value. To monitor the water level when the controller is displaying the flow rate, press the enter button. LEL will be displayed followed by the reading. The value will be displayed in litres from 0 to 999 and in kilolitres for higher values. If the tank is mounted in a vehicle, allow 1 to 2 minutes after the vehicle has stopped for the water to settle before reading the level. The Lumi level is most accurate when calibrated correctly. NC will be displayed if the Lumi level is not connected. For all settings and controller messages, see Spring's auto calibration instructions and digital controller messages videos. For the full V16 range and more information, visit www.springltd.co.